Your miter saw's fence is made up of 3 main components: the lower fence and 2 upper fence extensions. The extensions provide additional support for tall workpieces, such as crown or baseboard molding. The extensions can also be adjusted side to side, so the blade can be tilted for a bevel cut. Most problems with the extension fences are the result of accidental damage, such as hitting them with a long board or something falling on the saw. Replacing the extension fences is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before making any repairs to your miter saw or any other power tool, make sure that you have it unplugged. The left fence is secured to the saw with a knob. I loosen the knob and the fence just simply slides off of the saw. Now install the new left fence. It just simply slides onto the lower fence, and then you secure it with the knob.